super crash. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in. Whoa! Wow! Oh, dearie me! Unbelievable. The rear tyre just letting go in the most spectacular fashion. That is, oh, dearie me. That is a shocking crash for Marc Marquez. Wow, that is one of the biggest high sides I've seen in 25 years of covering this sport. Unbelievable. He'd had the big scare at turn 10.
And as the rear comes round, Marc Marquez is vaulted up in the air.
That is such a violent crash. Here he goes, and look at this. This is a fourth gear corner. Fourth gear, just under 200 kilometers an hour. That's how violent that crash was. Alberto Puig.